Hi, my name is Michael, and this is my current daily. It's a 99 Mazda Miata. It's on air suspension, mostly cosmetic mods at the moment. I'm starting this channel because I want to do more modifications to it, and this is the documentation of that. So today's video is going to be just an overview of my air suspension. I've had it for almost a year now, and I haven't had any issues really, just adjustments. So the air suspension kit is a Airtekk Stage 3, so it comes with the Airlift Performance Management, all independent four corners. It does come with the Bluetooth app, and I also have it able to be controlled by a remote. I know it has show mode, but I didn't want to leave it on all the time, so this actually is just a remote relay, and it'll do a rise on start without it being started. So, like this. Yeah, so this is my current trunk setup. I have one compressor, a 5-gallon tank, airlift management, and that's about it. The plumbing for this is pretty simple. I have 1 liter line going from the compressor into the tank. Got 1 line going from the tank to a water trap. Then that goes into the manifold. From the manifold, it goes out to each 4 corners, and the exhaust goes out this side. The rear lines are easy to run back here because they just go through those grommets. There's a grommet on each side, so one goes this way, right there, and routes down. The other one goes this way, routes down. The front 2 got routed through this side after taking this panel off, and came out the front, and came out underneath this panel. This panel you take off right here. They ran through the driver's side, through the large grommet, and then separated and ran to each side. The USB for the remote control runs, I believe, through the passenger side, crosses over, and I have the control right here, which I generally just kind of tuck it. So for routing the front lines, I opted to come through the large grommet that's located right down here. Both lines come out there, and we're silicone shut to try to keep moisture out. I have 1 line running down this way right here, and it runs to the front grommet. That's right down here. The one for the passenger side goes through this little grommet right there, runs across, try to keep it away from heat. Comes out the other side over here. Coupler to extend it, and it just routes right down in there. So for the passenger side rear, I have the line coming out from there. There's a little plastic grommet on right near the battery, and then it's zip tied up to keep it from the exhaust, which it looks like there hasn't been any issues rubbing in any of these spots. The line goes underneath there, goes right into the airbag, the push to connect fitting. On the driver's side rear, we have a very similar situation, except no exhaust. Got another plastic grommet. The line goes through, zip tied out of the way. Again, feeds in to the airbag. Let's check out the fronts. So the passenger side front looks in a lot better condition than the rear. I wonder if I need to put like some sort of dressing on these. The line is ran through a rubber grommet there. Feeds on the back side, and From what I can tell, there hasn't been any sort of rubbing going on. Again, I've been running these for about a year. Let's check out the driver's side. Alright, driver's side fronts. This bag looks in good condition still. It's the grommet and the line. Feels fine. Yeah, no problems here.